Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show.
Hi guys, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you an oven baked chicken recipe that I hope you guys enjoy. Now my ingredients are here. I haven't yet seasoned the chicken, and I'm going to season it and leave it in the refrigerator overnight. So let's get this tutorial on. Okay guys, now here I'm starting just a few pieces. Now a list of my ingredients here as I go along. I'm going to just start with the Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Set my bowl aside. My black pepper. Don't think I'm going to need all of it. A pinch of salt. My garlic and herb, just a pinch. And then some vegetable oil or olive oil if you have, just to let the season soak onto the skin. You want to have gloves for this preparation if you don't want your hands to be in the meat. Now, as you can see, I'm going to have to get rid of one of the gloves because I need to pull the browning. Just tip a little, just to give the chicken that brown color. That's it. And this is a Grace Jamaican browning. And you see that nice brown color that it gives the chicken. So guys, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for a few hours while I prep the other ingredients. One last look before I put it in the refrigerator. Okay guys, now after about 5 hours in the refrigerator, I took it out, and now I'm going to place it in my casserole dish that I'm going to be using for this recipe. Now, no particular order. I'm just going to start lay out my meat. The oil is already on it, remember, I already put the oil on it, so you don't need to grease the casserole dish because the oil is already on the chicken. So you just want to place your chicken down. Now I'm going to put them skin first. Okay. I always feel like I have more meat than space to use up. But nevertheless, everything is going to be in this dish. Alright, just move up a few. One last look. go guys, ready for the oven. Right on that top rack. And join me in about say 20 minutes to check on it, and then I'm going to start doing the. Okay guys, now reach the point that I'm going to take it out of the oven and turn them and put them back in. So you want each side to be cooked, to be baked evenly. So after this process, then I'll be making the sauce. Ooh, hot. Okay. Of course, you see that it hasn't stick because of the oil mixed with the seasoning, so it's easily flipped over. Ooh. This one is at the edge. Alright guys, so when next I come back, it's going to be preparing the sauce. Thank you guys for tuning in to this point. Okay guys, it's time for the sauce. First I'm gonna add some ketchup. Then my Kraft honey barbecue sauce. Stir that up. And I'm going to add my honey just for extra sweetening. Tangy, ketchup gives it a tangy taste, and then the honey and the barbecue sauce give it that sweet. So it's a blend of flavor. And the reason why I'm heating this up is because remember the chicken is in the oven at a certain degree. So you want to keep that temperature as is, so you have to warm up the sauce that you're going to add to the chicken to keep the temperature going. Now at this time I'm going to add some flakes, some parsley flakes, there you go. So guys, it's about time to take it out the oven now, and I'm going to be glazing the chicken. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm ready right now for the glazing. Here I have my brush. I'm just gonna wipe it over the chicken. I'm going to do it on this side first, and then I'm going to do it on the other side after about 20 minutes. Guys, you can also do this with a whole chicken, and I have a recipe on my channel. Now guys, I know I have a lot of persons out there that watch my videos that aren't subscribed. Please, I'm asking you to hit the subscription button, like the video, drop a comment if you want, show it to your friends, because that's how the channel grows. And I want to thank my loyal supporters that have been with me since last December, because last February, that when I started the channel. To all the regular supporters that have been tuning in from then till now, showing their support. They are the one that keeps me going. Alright guys, I'm gonna move the camera, sorry for the shaking. Now I'm gonna put it back in the oven right now. Look at that. Okay guys, now I'm going back in to take it out, to turn it on the other side. Look at that. Beautiful color. Here we go guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Now what I want you to do now is join me at the table. Okay guys, there you have it. My oven baked chicken served with some sorrel. I'm going to dig in now. Thanks you guys for watching.